Plainly, crisis is like an unfortunate of the Palestinian. Even though ADC election is very possible, I know I Supreme Court of right about it. Only for the end of the day, Supreme Court will lie the money for a state election commission by the ADC elections for conduct again. Last week, finally, no conduct payment. But Abu Khano BC election conduct by Zappan Bagay, kept say, Naharo Pano, Apano Umimania Kohais. No, was Haimano. And in 2016, no, the last ADC elections in money. We need 2026 in Italy. 10 years completing money forever. We need one BC election. I say, all BC election in Bagay, so the Indian, Baratha Batoni, Hoptes or Butcher, who should go along Supreme Court of Commission. I got away. At I said, hello, hearing from the company about our text before has again 16 June of only hearing the night. Kaya, Asa Kaya, Supreme Court of India, the Prasani is Sanmun, the Prasani Korano, Justice Renai, they both can follow the long pending BC election only from money. About a BC election conduct Isaac time. Coming the BC election Isaac Yankabo Sinino. Sinino Hamari Eva Hamkrai, also written Haisi. No group na. I said Bishuo, Unya Pano elections in money for a only piece of development funding high. Into over election in any carone, funding of the pending of that. Fund Hayani of that. The Boni Bagui, the Subida Mana Tomoni, Parani Lukuro, Parabishini, Sini, Vikasataku, Kupso. But money and Lito, just a pano into our busy. Pano as I go, I do Congress, I do Shipping Fund, I do IPF Fund, I do. But the most important is BC election in Thai. I see. Lukurok Hamkrai, Lutego Forna Kai. Lukurok the development Samu. Amatego for the kind of BC election in Manila. I think Supreme Court Jintu Abono Rairana 16 Juno. We got to wait a year, don't have a photo. Hope Narakali Proti, and I will wait for parents. 980, BC election, Financial State Election Commission, the promote any about jurisdiction of player to promote and the raw of players. But soon, Borong saw State Election Commissioners institution Kayo, the Tamil BC election Kaizaga. So, Martin Modena no Corino, Street no Corino. So, how Bubagra for the street no Corino for a piece of BC election Tangi Kaizaga. The up for a look in the Supreme Court for Lukuna, Laima last time of Supreme Court, Dizino, Chitito Zaka, one of Zaka I see. Those boss of nominates the BC election Kaizaga. There's a municipality, Robo Joto election conduct Kaizaga. Throughout the country of Joto stadium election conduct Kaizaga. The 2021 case of Saka. At time of coronavirus, the ba issues in the elections conduct idea. Tabulatam issues ba. The Tini Nesistamo, Borok Simano, Judino BC elections conduct like that. Okay? 587 Vishimo, Borok 10 26, Abu Hazaka Tau Mania. The promoter, something majority plan 550 plus seat planning applying night. Data Naki Gora Abono Nayabun Bande, J answer default Hanan in Naito. Point number 1. And 2 the Sakati Prasa Accord Nico. Some guys Hanaisi. Renai of the central government. Central government of some cross no Kai, Sanio Tomohisi, Tani Tabukano, Sini Accord to implementation. Kajaka. Tinino of Lukana. 2nd March 2024, the Accord signed Kaizen. In 2026, the COP cycle, 2 years already like that. Tabuko Tibrasa Accord implementation. Honorable Home Minister Nizino acknowledged Klaye, Mary and Bissimo, Sarah Indiani, national media bisingo ataimo saklaimani tongo itihas laibuma mane galti ingkha bul ingkha tiprasani pokkhon nazakliya decision tini sei galti no repeat khaya khare sei bul ingmano repeat khaya khare this time borok tiprasani pokho basawai tiprasani the long pending orang demand amono fulfill khainai tiprasani aspirations no fulfill khainai ne honorable home ministers national media and vision acknowledge khaimani kore boni porebo sanai 2024 ni je Lok Sabha election ni time of Kumar Gato Jepro campaign khainani bagai honorable home minister khayo a jagabo to bo thapakya tiprasa accord no tui tini sung borgo pos khaitamo tangai tiprasa accord no as dire khaito sung to sani no to haisi tai Jacob Norok Saka alliance ni to naini di অনেক সময় alliance মানে শর্তে বসিনি alliance মানে তামবা তং ত্রিপুরানি বিজেপি alliance উমো পানো মেইন সিনি alliance মানে গাঙ্গাই সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট অফ মানে পরে বসিনি alliance হইছে honorable home minister of Brahma পরে বসিনি alliance and Jacob honorable home minister কাছে বড় পয়েন্ট পাইলো তিনি বসিনি আসিনি তো ঠিক আছে টাইম লেরি মানো 1980 wo mandai hai jagao tangal mani pore tini Tripura Upajati Jubok Samiti eba Narishuni Bahini Netrito Tomero led Prime Minister Indira Gandhi ni kabi mani pore 4 years pore 1984 49 per amendment ungui Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council 10,492 square kilometers of Bishingo 7,132.2 square kilometers. Connect time lang 4 years na. UGS ni the Andolon, Dabi, 1967 is River Andolon. Last digi 1984 about Malka. Connect time pending na. Telangana High State Zephyrosano, almost 51 years plus above Dabi. Sanmani Korek, Kaimani Koreko Abo Manka. অনেক টাইম না খাইছি নিনি অব হাইকেনো মেঘালয়া আবো কাইসা স্টেটনি আসামনি বক খাগै मेघालया आसामनि खागै मिजोराम आसामनि खागै गोबां पार्ट नि सक्सेसर गाइस बिनु टाइम तो नांगो आई हिपानो जे कमिटमेंट बर बिमानि आबनो फुलफिल खायनि दरकार एंड ऑनरेबल होम मिनिस्टर तो multiple times ni His Highness Maharaja Malaika or the Pog Ruzakno, so a Pog Ruzak ni Propi, Honorable Home Minister ni Propi, some Borom Narabino, the young supervision, great height of work, passing on Samahai, Citizenship Amendment Bill pass and through, the Citizenship Amendment Act income. Avoni, Bilu Kanye notice and listen now, the Bangla political party of Bilu Kanye. Boni Foreign meaning National People Party has Birut Khayo. But Birut Khayo Pano alliance Tokutino Birut Khayo has. Abo Hai Gini Tabu Nitish Kumar ni political party visited the alliance with Sokasal from Bihar. Jepuru issues of Bihar Nikete Boro alliance someone is obtained Boro Birut Khayo Koksal. Kay nini MNF at the time of National Front of BJP political party by alliance to Jeffru Hongi Febaro Unya for a Biluk no Kayo has alliance someone is obtainable. But Tini to Rajo they promote a political party with BJP alliance to Tomal. But alliance totally political yeah or alliance some Sini Bob Hanibagi rights Ibagi Sini demand Ibagi alliance to the Sinto Sauyo Tomo. যদি বস কানি ছালো সং সিনি দাবি দাবা রকমানিয়া হয় সং অ্যালায়েন্স ইজ নট ইম্পর্টেন্ট বাট দ্য পার্সোনাল রাইটস ইম্পর্টেন্ট অবশ্যই প্রমাণ শুরু করে খানে এডিসি ইলেকশন গোবাং সিনি উপর চাপ সপাইয়া হাইছি মহারাষ্ট্র সাকাও চাপ সপাইয়া অ্যালায়েন্স নি কন্টেস্ট খাইনি অ্যালায়েন্স নি ফাইট খাইনি এন্ড অফ দ্য ডে মহারাষ্ট্র চুজ থাকা সিনি ত্রিপুরাসানি বাগৈ অ্যালায়েন্স নি করে alone fight খাইয়া হাইছি Boskan salbo obo lor putai. Jadi sini di prasa ekor no asal pending hai to money ready to money fulfilling yang kan okay so step nahar zaknai a step so Simon of Boskan is hello BJP Boskan hai si kamu. Nain edi ang to ko ko sawi to kasi mo state government ko Simon of BJP government tumuno যদি BC election থাকা okay di Pramotha something majority planning of line right by issue sections of Borok and Kaliander was Hegano, public was Hegano, Samo, Unudino Naya, Tibrasani rights man to, Tibrasa am trying to, Tibrasa develop to, Abo High Borok, no, Yagami Tom Tracy. Into the Supreme Court, the highest dollar, India was on Common. Supreme Court also, ang money for air, Dogla, Motomi money for air. He need to get elections was in Kaliman. So pointed to BC elections mo just kapono hijack tai tai Supreme Court di prasani pokhono di prasani justice ni babino o right na gusto salo. So let us wait 16 the first can be 16 June of tai sai no hai hearing mani thani to I think so local wait and dorkar Supreme Court to respect ruino forum rui honor ruino so wait and dorkar tai so hopeful that all time so positive I know how man like this.